Welcome back to the channel everyone, and welcome to our first cruise with MSC. We arrived at the port of Southampton at our allotted time, and it seemed that there were lots of other people who had been given the same time, or had simply decided to turn up early, which was more likely the case. We found our way to the back of the long queue, and we edged our way slowly, very slowly, towards the terminal. Once inside the terminal, the embarkation process was relatively quick, and we were soon taking that walk that we all love onto the ship.
Jennifer, welcome on board.
Thank you very much, Jennifer.
I hope you will like your cruise, sir.
That's great. Thank you very much, and I'm sure you'll look after us.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Well, after a very challenging embarkation process, we've actually got to our cabin. So, we are in an ocean view cabin on MSC Virtuosa. I'm going to actually walk to the end of the cabin and come back. We'll do that. Okay. So yes, no balcony on this one. It is an ocean view. Not much ocean at the moment. Okay, so let's have a little look round. We've literally just got into the room, in truth. So I haven't had a chance to actually look round a great deal. So we're both going to explore this together. So of course we've got tea and coffee making facilities, and we've got the round pin plugs. Alright, there is a mini bar which I've taken some things out to get bits and pieces in, and of course there's the mini bar prices. And we've also got our breakfast order for room service. And we have got some stools under here. There's one. Oh, and a table. Okay. So tucked away nicely. There's a small table that you can take obviously to the sofa, and a footstool. That should slide back nicely. There we go. It's a good use of space. Nice big mirror. Give you the wave as usual. And we have got the phone. We've got their small plugs. We've also got USB ports and Zoe. Use Zoe as a speaker for your personal device. Okay, interesting. Our daily programme. Of course, on the television, we've got the part of the muster process. So it's a nice room. It's only literally, I think we're just lacking a towel, which apparently they're going to bring to us. Forgive the bags. Little settee there, little sofa, nice little bit of artwork. Okay, and looking over there, approaching the bed. One thing I do notice, they've got sliding doors next to the bed as opposed to ones that open out, which I think will be a lot better. So looking back to by the bed, we've got a small cabinet with a couple of shelves. Ooh, there we go, a little bit dark. And the light, we've got a reading light there as well. There is a USB port also underneath that light as well. Let's have a little look. Same this side, of course. Alright, let's have a look in the wardrobes. Ooh. Got a shelf on the top. Plenty of hangers, which is good. And then space for your shoes, etc. With a small shelf on the bottom. And we've got obviously the shelf on the top, like I said. Shelving. We've got the safe. Let's have a look. Yeah, not the biggest of safes, but once again I think it's okay for your documents, etc. You wouldn't get a laptop or anything like that in. There's your shelves with some drawers. Okay, so there's 3 drawers, quite deep. And there's your shelves there, that's not too bad. And I think also here, I forgot to show you, we've got the drawers, and of course there's the hair dryer, and we've got 4 drawers there and some shelving there. All helps, every little bit of storage helps. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Yeah, please no shower curtain, there isn't, thank goodness. That's great. Let's have a look in here. Smells nice and clean. Okay, a little bit of shelving up there for the old toiletries. One sink in the corner with a soap dispenser, very good. And I think there is a cupboard underneath there as well. And we've got, oh there we go, oh dear, that's going to show every little blemish, I have no doubt. The mirror there. So to open the show, you've got your little line there for drying clothes, stretches across. There we go. Shelf for your soaps, etc. There is your shower gel and shampoo. Decent size shower head. Shelf there to put your foot on as you're cleaning your bits. Okay, so that's good. It's not a huge bathroom, but it's certainly good enough. So that's the bathroom, and that is our ocean view room that will be on for the next week. on our cruise to the Norwegian Fjords on MSC Virtuosa. I think we'll be fine. But no balcony. Okay, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. If you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, it'd be fantastic, and I will see you in the next one.